Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will explore Advanced Micro Devices in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has classified Advanced Micro Devices as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.83. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but presently reflects a loss of negative 0.25% since our initial hold accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average loss of negative 0.08% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned near the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This scenario often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakthrough above the upper trend line at $100.27 will first indicate a slower rate of decline, but it may also serve as the initial sign of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately negative 15.96% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 38.44% to negative 14.49%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 37.48%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 54.12% to negative 18.46% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $45.22 and $80.36. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Evaluation of Advanced Micro Devices stock downgraded after the last trading session. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price declined by 2.03% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, dropping from $100.59 to $98.55. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.70%. with a low of $97.44 and a high of $100.7. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 14.25% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is a positive indication as volume typically follows price trends. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 3 million shares, with a total of 37 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $3.69 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $187.28, while the lowest was $76.48. Currently, the price is 47.38% or $88.73 below the 52-week high, and 56.64% or $128.75 below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is experiencing a notable surge in its stock price following a strong first-quarter earnings report that exceeded both revenue and profit expectations. The company reported an impressive 36% increase in overall sales, primarily driven by a remarkable 57% growth in its data center segment, bolstered by strong demand for its EPYC CPUs and Instinct GPUs. This positive performance also reflects increasing investments in artificial intelligence, positioning AMD favorably in a rapidly evolving tech landscape. Looking ahead, AMD has issued optimistic guidance for the second quarter, suggesting that it expects continued growth momentum, even amidst a challenging macroeconomic environment. This upbeat outlook is likely to attract investor confidence in the short term, potentially leading to further gains in stock value as market reactions solidify. With AMD currently trading at a multiple of 22 times earnings, analysts are viewing the stock as undervalued, especially in light of its strong growth prospects. The dual impact of robust earnings and positive forward guidance suggests that AMD is not only a competitive player in the semiconductor market, but also poised for sustained long-term growth. Investors may want to keep a close watch on AMD as it capitalizes on the ongoing AI trend and evolves within the broader semiconductor industry. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned AMD a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned AMD a hold grade with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned AMD an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Advanced Micro Devices stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also assign the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present due to the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During potential corrections, support levels can be found at $97.77 and $97.26. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, May 5, 2025, and to date, the stock has decreased by 2.03%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. On the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Hevitz, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 23 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 129 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 123 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $96.84. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock tends to have average movements throughout the day, and given the solid trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.63 between its high and low, which represents a change of 2.70%. During the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.501%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 93 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Advanced Micro Devices is at $99.51. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices faces its first support level at $96.84. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by papermaster Mark D., who bought and sold 70,000 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 15.794. Overall, insiders purchased 993,364 shares and sold 1,414,783 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $93.97, reflecting a decline of 4.65%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices holds several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient for a buy recommendation. At this current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting either holding or accumulating shares while we wait for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 7th of May, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will open higher by approximately 13.7 cents, beginning trading at $98.69. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.